Welcome to the toner transfer process. I hope it will clarify the written instructions. We're going to illustrate the transfer of toner to a two-sided boards with the registration wires already attached. Using a standard clothes iron, set it to just under the highest setting, maybe listed as cotton or linen, then set aside and wait till it heats up. Apply a double-sided paper toweling. Then use the tip of the iron with pressure to tack the transfer paper in place. Do this on both sides. The next step is to remove the registration wire. With flush cutting wire cutters, clip all the wires on the first side flush with the board. Flip it over, and using a needle nose pliers, pull the wires through. It helps to place the open cutters over the wires to hold down the board when you pull them out. Place another double layer of paper toweling over the board and apply the iron with pressure to heat soak the board. Do this on both sides for about a minute each. Remove the toweling on the top of the board and apply pressure with the edge of the iron, as shown here. Do this several times in both directions before you flip the board, and do the same thing on the other side. You should begin to see the toner traces when you hold the board at an angle. Next step is to remove the paper. Put a layer of water in a shallow dish sufficient to cover the board. Place the board in the dish for several minutes. You should be able to see that the paper is becoming transparent. Rub the paper gently to remove the clay coating. Do this on both sides. After several more minutes, the paper should start to peel up. You can slowly move the paper by peeling it back and discarding. There will be a very thin layer of paper and clay on the copper surface of the boards. Use your fingers to gently remove this layer of clay and paper under water. And I like to also rub it with paper toweling. And there you have it. Both sides of the board registered and clean and ready for the etching process. Thank you.